Sir, having said about things about multilateralism, and you mentioned WTO
Yeah.
in one of your speeches, what's the take of the other member countries? Were you able to discuss further with them regarding
About
that?
WTO?
Yes, thank you.
The fear that everyone is feeling now is that the principles and the strictures that guided the creation of WTO are no longer in place, or at least no longer effective. And a great deal of what was spoken about is that we have to return to the free market principles that WTO was created for. Kaya ngayon parang hindi na nasusundan yung ating unang idea na WTO will help us open markets between between countries. And that's not what we're not. The trend now is the opposite, is closing markets. Now China is the one who's saying, well, let's open more markets. Kaya nagbabago talaga ang usapan. And the comment that we have, the world is really turning. Things are changing.